welcome. Today I'm doing an Eloquii Unlimited haul. Eloquii Unlimited is a program that Eloquii started a little while ago where you can rent. It's almost like Rent the Runway, right? So you can rent the items, you can wear them, you can, keep them if you want at a discounted price, because, with the membership. The membership is $79 a month. I got a free trial for the first month because they had a promotion going on. So I got a free trial for the first month. Next month will be $79. You get 4 items in the box. This is one of the items, which I'm loving right now. You can keep the items as long as you want. When you return those 4 items, then you get another set of 4 items. If you choose to keep any of them, then you just pay for them at a discounted price. I think it's a great program. I love to shop. I love clothing. And so this is a great way to kind of build my wardrobe without being committed to it as much as you want. So it's a start. I'm going to try it. I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm wearing. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so the outfit that I'm wearing here is a kind of zebra print or animal print, purple or maroon color and orange fabric. It's 100% cotton. It is not lined, but it has a nice hem. It has this ruffle detail on the shoulder and then nice balloon arms to give you space if you have bigger arms. Because the fabric is just like an A-line cut, I'm adding a belt here to give it some definition, to give my waist a little definition. And I think it looks really nice with the belt. I'm sure that you can wear it without the belt, but for me, I need a little bit of a waist definition so that way I don't look so boxy. So I paired it with this beige shoe, and I really like this dress. I got it from Eloquii, and I think it's just really, really cute. So this next outfit here, I actually decided to return this outfit because of the whole boxy sort of look. It makes me just look, like there's no definition in a way. So I paired it with a white button down, and it has the nice slits on the side. I actually tried it with a button down that was a little bit longer, but again, it made me look shorter, and I didn't really care for the style in general. So I did return this, but it is a very nice piece from Eloquii. It felt really good. It's a knit sort of sweater vest material. You can wear it as a dress. You can wear it as a sweater vest. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with high boots. But again, I decided to return it. So for this item here, I'm wearing these really cute like boyfriend jeans where it has the asymmetric sort of button fly. It is button fly. There's no zipper, so it's all button fly, and it just crosses over to the side, which I thought was really cute. These run big, so I got them in a 16 to first start out, but then I did the Eloquii Unlimited and decided to get a 14. So I have this in a 14, and they give a lot. There's no stretch, but they do get really baggy when you wear them throughout the day. Okay, so this outfit here, what I'm really showing here is the jacket from Eloquii. It's a crop jean jacket. This is a size 20, so it's a bit too big. I decided to size down to my size, which was a 14-16, and I absolutely love this jacket. It's a has one pocket on the side, and then the other side has the distressed sort of pocket look, as if there was a pocket there. It's a light denim, so it's not very heavy. You can wear it in the spring and in the summer. And I just think it's a really cute outfit. The rest of it is from another place. I'm going to try to list everything, but this is, an old haul, so I just wanted to be clear about that. So if you do like anything, I will try to list something that's equal to what I have up here. Again, I want to thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. And I will see you guys all in the next video.